Yeah, hi Chris, it's Mark at FMAV. Yeah, sorry it's taken a while to do this. Yeah, I did go over your main board as well because there was a problem with a board. One of the transistors, a little transistor, had failed. I don't know whether that's because you've put that laser in or whether that laser's damaged the board. But anyway, look, I've done it. I'm not even, I'm not going to charge you for it because it took me about half an hour to find it. It's pretty obvious. So yeah, I've done that for you, and I've changed the laser for you. There was loads of grease in there. I don't know why all that grease was in there. It was just everywhere. This is not going to help, to be honest with you. So I've removed most of that. And what I meant by fake lasers, they're not fake lasers because they're original lasers. But what they do is on the top of the heads, they basically remove the eye, and then they put a new like magnifying glass type of thing on top, and then what they do is they epox it. They're, you know what I mean, they are the most common China things going. I don't know whether they do it in a factory in China, whether that guy actually does it. I ain't got a clue, but no, we do get a lot of these business, funny enough, because people put them in, they blow their jukeboxes up and Bang & Olufsen systems with them. Typically what you've probably done yourself. Which can be really expensive if you can't repair that board, because then most of them boards you can't just repair them. So I'll be honest with you, you're lucky, because a lot of them, they need new boards and there's nothing you can do. So maybe because it was just a newer board that you got lucky on that. But yeah, it's all working. I've had it going for quite a few hours, and yeah, all's good. I'll go out a few tracks on this just to show you all. So you can see it's all working as it should be now. Click straight in. So yeah, hopefully you'll have no problems with that, and you fit that back in your Beosound, and you're up and running. Thanks again, and sorry about the delay to return your email yesterday because I had mega computer problems. I couldn't even switch a computer on and get emails and things because I haven't got it set up. I only use it on a computer on my phone, and I need to get this sorted out because if the bloody computer goes down, I've lost everyone. But anyway, hope you enjoy it, and thank you very much. And if you don't mind, you can leave feedback for me, and I do appreciate your business. You got a 6-month warranty on that, on the laser part only. I can't warrant that board because it's not, out of my hands, because if it's been blown up once, hopefully it don't get blown again. But yeah, you've got a 6-month warranty on that laser. So thanks very much, Chris. Really appreciate your work, and let's go in the post to you today. So fingers crossed you should have it for Saturday. Thanks again. Have a great day.